In the world of manufacturing, cost problems are like those uninvited guests that show up at a party, unpleasant and often disruptive. If you've ever been involved in manufacturing, you know that managing costs is a constant balancing act, and sometimes it feels like you're juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. But fear not. Today, we're diving into the 5 most common cost problems encountered in manufacturing, and more importantly, how to tackle them head on. Let's start with the first issue on our list: inefficient production processes. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the kitchen is running like a well-oiled machine. Orders come out hot and fresh, and everyone is happy. Now imagine the opposite. Orders are getting mixed up, food is taking forever to come out, and diners are losing their patience. That's what inefficient production processes can do to a manufacturing business. When production isn't streamlined, it leads to wasted materials, wasted labor hours, and ultimately wasted money. To combat this, manufacturers must regularly review and optimize their processes. Think of methodologies like lean manufacturing and Six Sigma as your secret weapons. Lean manufacturing is all about cutting out the waste, whether that's excess materials, time, or effort. It's like Marie Kondo for your production line. If it doesn't spark joy, or in this case, efficiency, it's time to let it go. Then there's Six Sigma, which is all about data-driven decision making. It's like having a personal trainer for your production process, helping you identify weaknesses and improve performance. So, if you want to keep your costs down, focus on making your processes as efficient as possible. Next up, we have issues with suppliers. Suppliers are like the backbone of your production. If they falter, the whole operation can come crumbling down. Late deliveries, poor quality materials, or unexpected price hikes can lead to a domino effect of cost overruns. It's crucial to vet your suppliers and build strong relationships with them. Think of it as a partnership. You want to ensure they're reliable and that you're both on the same page. Having backup suppliers is also a smart move. It's like having a plan B for when the unexpected happens. Open communication is key here. If there's a problem, you want to know about it before it turns into a full-blown crisis. Moving on to our third common cost problem: unpredictable market conditions. Picture yourself at a carnival, and you're trying to hit a target with a ball. Sometimes you hit the bullseye, and other times you miss completely. That's how market conditions can feel. Demand can fluctuate wildly, and raw material prices can spike unexpectedly. While you can't control these market forces, you can prepare for them. Building a buffer into your budget for unexpected costs is a smart strategy. It's like packing an umbrella when the weather looks iffy. You might not need it, but if you do, you'll be glad you have it. Diversifying your customer base can also help mitigate risk. If one market segment takes a hit, you won't be left scrambling if you have other customers to rely on. Now, let's talk about poor planning and forecasting. This is like trying to navigate a road trip without a map. You might think you know where you're going, but without a clear plan, you could easily end up lost and overspending. If we're kicking off any new project, it's vital to have a comprehensive understanding of your costs. This means accounting for everything, from materials and labor to overhead and shipping. It's not just about knowing your costs, it's about anticipating them. Accurate sales forecasts can help ensure that your projects are profitable from the get-go. If you underestimate costs, you might find yourself in a tight spot, scrambling to cover unexpected expenses. Finally, we arrive at the notorious issue of scope creep. This is when a project's scope expands beyond its original parameters, often resulting in more work and consequently more costs. It's like starting a home renovation project and suddenly deciding to add a whole new wing to your house. Before you know it, you're deep in debt and wondering what happened. To avoid this, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your project's goals from the start. Make sure all stakeholders are aligned on what the project entails. Having contingency plans for potential changes can also save you from financial headaches down the line. So, there you have it, the 5 common cost problems faced by manufacturers: inefficient production processes, issues with suppliers, unpredictable market conditions, poor planning and forecasting, and scope creep. While some of these challenges can be mitigated with good planning and execution, others are simply part of the game. By understanding these issues and taking proactive steps to address them, you can keep your costs in check and run a more efficient and profitable business. As we look to the future of manufacturing costing, it's clear that accuracy is more essential than ever. With the increasing complexity of manufacturing operations, having a robust costing system in place is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Manufacturers need to track every expense related to their products, from raw materials to shipping, to stay competitive. Fortunately, there are numerous software programs available to help with this. Whether it's a simple Excel template or a comprehensive enterprise resource planning system, the right tools can make all the difference. The key is to find a system that fits your specific needs. With the right software, manufacturers can analyze costs, compare different products, monitor productivity, and negotiate better deals with suppliers. It's like having a financial GPS guiding you through the twists and turns of manufacturing costs. In conclusion, understanding manufacturing costing and the common cost problems that arise is crucial for any business looking to thrive in this competitive landscape. By being proactive and addressing these challenges head on, you can position your company for success. Remember, it's not just about crunching numbers, it's about making informed decisions that will drive your business forward. So keep your eyes on the road ahead and don't let those cost problems derail your manufacturing journey.